operation of hers in Harare Central Hospital.
Prepared smile.
He smiles. The good Lord has been kind.
Artful operation.
Taura kwaita maumanzi angasingabudiyo zvakanaka nemaumanzi neokana atonyatsomera zvakanaka pawasha pake ane problem yemukanwa yanga nekidney ndobva izviti atauya mukanwa inezvipo mene zita raenda ikangana aza kunyatsotanga kuti ataure zvakanaka mavhoisi nekuti ibude yanga asingakwanisi angataura
With these problems, they also have associated problems of speech, hearing, right? Eating, smiling, so many things. And ultimately, it affects their psychological situation.
The older kids, they really do feel that stigma of not looking, and your smile is such a part of you. Sometimes people associate this with not being smart or not good in school, which is very far from the truth.
A person with a cleft lip or a child, a person is a child, he cannot even play with siblings. His brother or sister will even avoid him. In his neighborhood, in the school, in the college, and it would be difficult for such a person to find a life partner.
vanhu vaitaura zvakawanda pandikabatsirwa mwana vamwe vaingoti chivanhu vamwe vaiti kuroyiwa zvakangowanda wanda zvinotaurwa.
These defects do happen, cleft lip and palate, but the good Lord has been kind. He has still provided tissues which can be repaired.
I would say the rest of the week it's around 30 surgeries. So we're doing a lot of palates. We're doing a lot of the holding the roof of the mouth, more than the cleft lip this week. We've started in 2006, first invited group back then. And we used to come twice a year, but now there's other groups coming in, and so we now are here in Harare, and 2 weeks ago we did a whole week of surgery at Mapilo in Bulawayo. So we tried 2 missions, but we try to combine them.
I love coming to Zimbabwe. I love the country, and I love the children. Mothers and grandmothers that come from the very far rural areas. I think they've come so far and they've done so much for their children, and some parents have maybe abandoned them, but other people have taken them in, so I really am inspired by that kind of dedication and that kind of that love. So I love seeing that. And then for us, I love the operation. It's an artful operation, and it gives me just a lot of joy and pleasure to come here.
And so to have a repaired smile, they go to church and they go to their job.
Nezvi zvaazofuna mukati mekuzokuti anogona kuzotaura zvakanaka nevamwe neshamwari dzake kunyangwe akuenda kuchikoro.
When you ask me why, it's all about that baby. We want to give that baby the best chance to be able to go into society, become visible again, because often they're very invisible human beings, how society considers them. So it's just a nice way to repair a broken smile.
Mwana waparetwa zvakanaka chose tinotenda nazvo ndetinotenda zvine chirongwa ichi.
Our goal here in the recovery room is just airway, make sure that they're safe. And then once they start waking up, when we give them something to drink, we make sure that they can tolerate it and not vomit. A lot of times, a lot of these kids are scared, so it's our role to just console them, but the mom has a really important role.
It makes me humbled that I can help the other children from around the world. So it is so nice to be here in Zimbabwe. All the staff is very helpful when we come here. And of course, we give so much pleasure to the mothers and the fathers of these kids. We change their lives a little bit by helping them bring smiles.
I've been working in Operation Code for about 10 years now, and we have gone to many countries all over the world. My first trip to Zimbabwe was about 10 years ago, and I love coming to Zimbabwe and working with Operation Code because everyone is so wonderfully inviting and so kind and so supportive. And
interacting with the children and just seeing hand to hand what the doctors have to go through. It's been absolutely amazing. It's been so interesting and so rewarding.
Well, Schweppes has been lovely. Every year they provide water and juice, and it helps the babies if they get proper water and juice before the surgery to not be dehydrated, so we don't deal with collapsed veins. And then after the surgery, if you think how sore your throat would be if you just had throat surgery, the water is very helpful because they can't chew and it's painful to swallow. So Schweppes to us, it's more than just water and juice. It's almost like a medicine. So they've been kind. They have provided food for the patients here in the hospital. They've helped us with transport. They provide lunch on screening day. And we raise the funds with Schweppes and Stanbic Bank, who is also in Zimbabwe. And we were able to provide the funds to get the machine serviced here at this hospital, as well as 2 of the machines in Bulawayo and Lapilo. And that was very exciting because the safer the machine is, the safer the baby is. And we really want safety standards to be very high. We want every baby as if it was my baby, your baby. That's how we see every patient.
Vatendezeizviwa ndeoparation ukuvarambe vakadaro vakandigonera vakandisonera mwana wangu for free ndakafara zvisingaiti kubva kumasvingo kwanyika uko kwandakabva.